We at CT students are presenting our capstone design project, which is a regenerative scooter, an inertia-driven sustainable locomotive. The product will promote green energy by utilizing physical variations and presence of the passenger to charge. The piezo sensors will act as a transducer to convert the weight into electrical charge. The scooter will operate using pneumatic system. The solar panels will act as an additional charging system. The proposed scooter aims to contribute towards sustainability and minimize the dependency on charging stations, as well as save money.